All right. Hey, everybody. Oh, my word. It's been so long since I've gone live on here. I absolutely miss it. It's just been a crazy summer, crazy life, camper, shed, you name it, we're doing it. Especially with family being here the last couple of weeks, it's been really fun and rewarding. So, just wanted to hop on here and tell you all about some pretty cool savings that you can get with Beautycounter. And I know I've been talking to a lot of you about switching your makeup around for summer. Some of you are losing your tan. I still have quite a tan going on yet. The whole cycle ride to Black Hills helped a lot with my tan, that's for sure. So, but maybe you're not outside as much, especially if you live here in Iowa. You probably aren't going to be outside very much longer with the snow coming in fall weather. I absolutely love fall. It means we're in the field. It means I'm doing a lot more meals, and kids are in school, which I'm actually sad this year. Like, not that I'm not sad every year, but I love having the kids home. And like Lance would say, he's losing his helpers. So this is my birthday week. I love birthdays. And again, Lance would say it's not a big deal, but I've always loved birthdays and making a big deal out of it. So I'm going to share with you at the end a little bit more about what I'm doing as a free thing. So this is one product I wanted to share. This is the Sienna lip gloss. I am a huge lip gloss fan. And if you're looking for a really fun fall color, this is one of our Beyond Shine gloss. It's not too pink and it's not bright. It's just a really pretty fall looking color. So if you're looking for different colors, if it's lip gloss, eyeshadow, we have the new eyeshadows, the cream ones. I have the Luster, and I think it's called, I forget what the brown one's called. I don't have it with me right now, but they're really fun. Been messing around with them for a while. And of course, there's a new product coming. I can't spill the beans yet, but I am sampling a few of you, so stay tuned. That is coming. All right, so drum roll, here it is. I'm looking for first person to sign up as a Band of Beauty member and ordering $100 or more with that. And I am paying for your membership. Isn't that exciting? All right, so it's $29 to sign up, and the perks of a membership is free shipping, 10% back, and you get the charcoal bar, or charcoal mask, excuse me, and the overnight peel for free. So I am waiving that $29. I know there's some of you who are like, yep, I'm ready to go. I want to order, but the first person who tells me, yes, I'm going to sign up, your membership is going to come in free. Second, the other way I'm gifting back is consultant. So right now you can sign up as a consultant for $50 if you are not a member. So if you've never became a member of Beautycounter, it's $50. Or if you are a member, you can join for only $21. So whatever that is for you, I'm waiving the cost for that, again, as my gift back to you. But the cool thing is, as a consultant this month, and as far as I know, it's ending at the end of August, is when you sign up as a consultant and get one of our kits, where they range from, our lowest is like the makeup kit, the Flawless in 5 is $135, or you can get the boosters, like the charcoal mask. Hey, Rainey. The charcoal mask, the peel, and the balm has a whole set for like $150. If you get one of those kits, you get this for absolutely free, okay? So what this is called is a Clean Crew. You get the Tripeptide Serum, which is what we love, Spanx for our face, the Supreme Cream, the C Serum, and the Overnight Peel. So this whole set that you will get is worth $150, and you get it for free. So those are just some really cool things that we're doing this month, and I'm doing personally on this page, and I'll post it for all of you who follow me too on Instagram. And so happy birthday week. Any guesses how old I am? Well, it's only how old you feel, right? It's not about the number. So let me know if you're thinking at all about joining as a member, if you're thinking at all as joining as consultant. Those are the two things that I am gifting back for free. And I'd love to help you share a little bit about Beautycounter and who we are and what we do. I've been part of Beautycounter for 6 years. Absolutely love it. Love, love, love everything about clean beauty, colors. I love being creative. I love picking out colors. Skincare. I actually have a friend coming this week. We're going to pick out some, or actually today, for Watch My Time, for wedding makeup. Her wedding is Saturday, and just knowing that it's clean, it's safe, and who doesn't want beautiful, flawless makeup on your wedding day, the most important day of your life. So those are some things that I love to do. Let me know if you have any questions. Maybe your daughter or somebody special that you know would love a makeover, and I can help you with that too. I love doing personal one-on-one makeovers, just really sitting down, looking at what your skin goals are, looking at what's perfect for your skin, and offering you some options for that. Or maybe you have a daughter or even a son who has some acne and you want to clear up their skin before it gets worse. Let me know. I love to help with that as well. So, all right, first 2 people, member or consultant, I'm gifting their membership or their consulting free. Free. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.